Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to Cloud Test Lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Give me 1 minute to analyze it. No, that's not shutdown hook. That's something else. Where it's throwing exception is here. em.get row. So this get row is coming as null. So I'm not sure. Let me try calling forward for role itself rather than declaring a set. Now I try it. Do I have any issue declaring that? Employee and null role is null. So this is what is coming null. So it's not using that qualifier. That's why it's throwing an exception. Concern is why it's not using qualifier. Let me recheck. Give me a quick minute. Okay, I'm using exactly the same way. Oh, I missed a point here. Your qualifier is helping your auto wiring. Whenever I'm saying auto wired, now what will happen is it will take it from string.xml. I'm just talking to myself now. So now my annotations. Now I have two classes. So definitely I'll get an exception. Okay. Now for auto wiring I have to specify. Yeah. Here you go guys. There is a small mistake from my side what I mean you. Qualifier is used to help on auto wiring. Okay. Now here let's think that you have two particular beans, okay, or set role, and now you are saying that auto wire these beans means auto wire the role of an employee. You do not have to declare that in employee bean because you are saying auto wire. So whatever the role is there, it will auto wire into employee bean. But it has two. So which one has to be chosen? It depends on you can give a qualifier here. So auto wire and then you mention a qualifier and you can mention manager. I missed that part. Sorry for that. And if you try this now, should the manager spelling is correct. Okay, and that's how it comes here as a manager. And you can use that to role declaration also. So field declaration also you can do that with the help of qualifier. So qualifier is a helper of autowiring. I completely missed that point. Okay, so always remember that. Okay, so this is a qualifier, auto wired, we saw required, we saw pre-destroy, we saw post-construct, and there are some things called as um, we have a controller, we have service. So these unique tags are used in Spring MVC for declaring controller classes, declaring service classes. Now, what is service class in Spring is actually a business object. So this service class will actually contain business service. Okay, so that will be business specific. There is an annotation called resource as well. So if you are declaring something like this, this is just a JSR. So this is not a Spring annotation. You can declare a wiring with the help of resource. So I can declare something like this. I can just tell that uh, let's say about rule itself. I can just tell this resource. Okay, this is java.It annotation. Okay, inside that you can just name equals to manager, and you really don't need that qualifier attaching that even auto or attaching that should be try to run this. Okay, so it can be possible with the help of Java annotation. So remember that this is not at all a Spring annotation. This is a Java annotation. Okay, it's coming from Java annotation. Okay, you can declare the resources like that. Using qualifier makes you use auto wiring, but if you are using resource, then you are using specific resource on that. Okay. Now the annotations for controller services you will cover it in when we discuss Spring Memory. Okay. And next class we will learn about JDBC. This is one of the important things. Do we need to know? You don't need to know annotation. Okay. So nobody will ask you what is in the resource annotation or what is in my this annotation and that annotation. That doesn't happen or that doesn't occur, what generally you are supposed to know is a basic stuff. Okay, like auto wiring, like post constructor and 3D stuff. Okay, or what if the required annotation is not specified? Okay, what if whenever there is something auto wired, then by default is required. Okay. So but you do not have to really know what to add auto wired or something like that. No, they don't expect, and you don't have to be remember all those things and mugging up all those things. Okay. No, you don't have to do that. Okay. Okay. And what I told you to remind me, so I had to completely forget. Tool related tool. Yes, alias. Absolutely. Nice question, Balram. What is aliasing in Spring? So if you have multiple beans like this and if you really want to get a particular bean assigned here, you can use alias also. So like manager role is also a role called let's say senior manager, and manager and senior manager are same, then you can use aliases. Okay. I really don't know whether I have that schema added in, but the alias is simple. Alias equals, and you actually give senior manager here. Okay. So now this is same being which has ID as manager. You can use senior manager as well, and the same being can be used. Okay, Balraj, but you need that particular schema added here to support this particular alias function. Okay, using any aliases confuses it. So generally, aliases are not used much in Scala. That is a good concept to know. Okay, so same being can be referred with two different names with the help of aliasing. Okay, hear that? Now, tool related to Spring, not Java assisting. Java assisting is normally happen with the help of our lib file itself. You don't need that really. Okay, so remember these steps. This is just go to help. Okay, Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, you do not have to buy anything here. Just a normal Eclipse Marketplace. Let him load, and whenever it loads like this, just mention that what you exactly need. These are all the stuff. I will be coming here again when I will tell you about SVN and CBS control system. You do have that class probably next week. Okay. So in here you will be finding Spring. So just include Spring and search. Okay. And the first tool will come like Spring Source Tool Suite. Okay, Spring Source. So do not use my Eclipse version, it's a paid thing. Use Eclipse version, and whatever version matters to your Eclipse version. If you are using 3.8, 4.2, or whatever, like I'm using right now 3.7, so I can use this particular thing and you can install it. This is just plugin for Spring that has a wizard for creating. Let's say if you are using Spring MVC framework, it can actually create like wizards. Like whenever I am saying I need a Java project, it actually gives me a lot of stuff already built in, right? SRP folder in there. Whenever I am saying dynamic web project, it has web folder in there. Similarly, whenever you are saying you need a Spring MVC project, it has template for it. Whenever you are saying you want to create a controller, it has a template for it. Whenever you are saying you need a service, it has a template for it. So it has a templates for it has a wizard for everything. So that's why that tool is really powerful. So in production programming, even I am using that same tool, Spring Source. But really, if you need a hands-on, you don't need those templates as such because even if you don't have one, you don't really use those templates for day-to-day life or day-to-day programming. No, really don't. Okay. Only when you need to create a new project, those templates are useful. Other than that, it's waste of time. But yes, you can and include that just for a practice and include it in your resume. Definitely, it's a good point to add that you work on Spring Source tool. Okay. But really, in practice, in practical, You may or may not use it. Really, it's not very helpful as such. Okay, just for letting you know. Okay, so we are stopping here. We will be continuing. I will tell you two parts. One is the next class will be two parts. One is post processing. So what happens after bean is processed? If you are done with the processing of bean, then we will have um, uh, post processing, and I will tell you how to do that. And second thing is there is an additional topic we included since last batch, that is Spring JDBC, because there are some questions people expect you to know, so we will include that part. Okay. Eclipse Marketplace will give us Spring Jar. No, I don't think so. If you add that tool, yes, sometimes you will get for MVC. Yes, it includes class. Absolutely. So you can expect that. Okay. Eclipse Marketplace is for all the tools you will be using, Kalyani. If you are using SVN, if you are using anything, instead if you need a UML tool, okay, any plugin you want to search for your Eclipse, go to Marketplace and get it installed. Almost for everything you will get a free tool. Okay. Okay. So people, we will be stopping here. We will continue tomorrow with Beam post processors and Spring JDBC. And if time permits, we will touch the concept of Spring MVC. And then on the weekend, if we have class, and if I don't have other class on web services, then probably we'll take Spring MVC on weekends. Otherwise, we'll continue on Monday. Okay. So people, let's stop here today. We'll continue tomorrow. Gautami, the password for another recorded classes is different. I'm supposed to send you. I'll send you today. And recorded sessions, please email to Infosys. That is really not in my hand. Okay.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.